that performance of the first number was actually meant to be sort of an exercise in irony, because the name of the tune is "Here's That Rainy Day." Maybe some of you have heard that standard before. And so basically, it's usually sort of a melancholy tune, you know? I mean, it's like about the sadness that love can bring you sometimes. However, I wanted it to be ironic because I was considering the path of faith, basically. You know, the idea that our losses are actually our greatest possible gains. The idea that when we think we're giving something up, actually the love of God is overwhelmingly replacing it all the more. And so there's a great irony in our faith tradition, because even the sorrow is actually the source of great consolation and even paving out directly into glory.